Hello, everyone, and welcome to this special broadcast as we are continuing our special series, India at 78, through the eyes of the icons. And we have a sporting icon with us. She's all of 22, but she has achieved quite a lot. She's the one who opened India's account at Paris Olympics. She ended 12 years of wait of India for a shooting Olympic medal, and then she went on to win another bronze. Manu Bhakar needs no introduction. You have got us, you gave us several reasons to cheer. And Jaspal Rana ji, शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए.
मन्नू, इतना सारा जो अचीवमेंट है छोटी सी मन्नू पे बड़ा भारी सा है.
आई थिंक मेरे करियर को तो काफ़ी लंबा टाइम हो गया है, 8.5 years इन शूटिंग. और टोक्यो में भी आई वाज देयर, और उसके बाद पेरिस में आई थिंक वी ट्रेंड इन अ मैनर कि मेडल के लिए वी वर होपिंग. सो आई थिंक वी प्लान इन अ वे कि थिंग्स टर्न आउट टू बी गुड, एंड सो इट वर्कड इन अ फेवर. बट इट्स नॉट सो बिग ऑन माई शोल्डर्स.
So it's easy, huh?
I'm not saying it's easy either. I'm just saying, I mean, it's neither easy nor very difficult. So it's like sometimes manageable, sometimes I have to struggle to manage.
Oh, very nice. So, but the list of the achievements in the sense that there's a 12-year drought that we have now been able to finish. You were the first woman to win a shooting medal for India, and you did it. I mean, you also hold another medal in this round. It's quite significant. Do you think that this is inspiring, or do you think that more work can be done to better it? You are very young still, and do you think that other sports persons, particularly girls, can take some sort of a inspiration from your achievements?
I think any achievement will give you inspiration also, but at the same time we can't be like, okay, this is enough. We definitely have a lot of like huge scope to work forward also, and I think India has a huge amount of talent, and like a lot of people are very 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 talented. I think it's just the time that we nurture them, and I think we can have great athletes. It'll take some time, but I think we can have great athletes in some time. I think my medals would also inspire me also, and I'm so happy that it inspires so many other young people and young girls in particular, if you talk about. I feel like parents would be much more flexible with the girls, and especially shooting would be like people would accept shooting more after this celebration. And I think we can always drive inspiration from a medal, but there's always a long way to go. We can always do better.
जसपाल राणा जी, हिंदुस्तान का इतना लंबा सफ़र रहा है, आपने बहुत सारे शूटर्स को ट्रेन किया है, वो आपका भी अपना जर्नी रहा है. पहले के जो होते थे एथलीट्स और अब के जो होते हैं, क्या फ़र्क देखते हैं आप? क्या एटीट्यूड में फ़र्क है?
हाँ, वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट.
देखिए, एटीट्यूड तो हर बारी एक ही होता है. जब हर खिलाड़ी जाता है, सेलेक्ट होकर जाता है, तो जज्बा अगर जीतने का ना हो तो फिर उसमें पार्ट लेने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. एंड आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि हमारे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, अगर आप इस टाइम का ओलंपिक का रिजल्ट भी देखोगे, देयर इज़ नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन 4th and 3rd. मनु लॉस्ट 1 medal, 3rd medal विद द सेम स्कोर. तो टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है, एटीट्यूड पहले भी वही था, अभी भी है. हाँ, अब डिस्ट्रैक्शन ज़्यादा है, आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स वो ज़्यादा है. हमारे पास फ़ोन नहीं होता था, इनसे फ़ोन लेना पड़ता है. तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन आज के जो जनरेशन है दे आर टोटली डिफरेंट लेवल. आपको अगर टॉप में रहना, देन यू हैव टू फाइट एवरी सिंगल डे. मैं मनु के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, अभी 3 महीने अभी रेस्ट में जा रही है, लेकिन रेस्ट के बाद अगर हम 200% दोबारा से स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे तो LA विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल. To make that possible, we have to leave everything as soon as possible once you come back from the break, and then let's see what is there for us
in LA.
At 22 years, Manu, there's no sense of time, so it's very difficult for us to ask her about Independence Day, the history. I mean, at 22, nobody has a concept of history. But what do you think? We will turn 78 as a country, and Independence Day is a very important day for all of us. Do you think it has a special place in your mind and your heart?
I would say that India is a country of fighters, and we've been fighting for many years now. And I think Independence Day is celebrated like the biggest fight that we won in the history of independence. And I think there it began. I mean, earlier also it was very persistent, but there it all began, that the journey of fighting. After that, we have fought with so many other things in our lives that came as huge challenges. And from independence, I feel like the place where I live, like the country, I really love my country. And I think everything that I would love, I mean, I have everything. I have everything that I need. So that is independence for me. And then when you go to like academical terms, and we have the freedom to talk, speech, and the rights and everything, I think India is a very liberal country and we have come a long way. But we are the country of fighters, and we need to continue the fight in
You are a
order
trail
to
blazer yourself. So जब तिरंगा लेकर के खड़े होते हैं कैसा लगता है? और पोडियम पर भी हैं.
I would say there's no better feeling being an athlete. So for me personally, there's no better feeling than having the tiranga around the shoulders. And I think one better feeling would be like the national anthem, when the national anthem plays and everyone is standing in the honor of your country's national anthem, and the flag goes higher than everyone else. So I think that is the greatest feeling, being an athlete for me personally. And I feel like many Indians would connect with it, and many aspiring athletes would too.
Flag goes higher.
Yeah, flag goes higher.
Flag goes
Jaspal Rana ji, Olympics as a tournament is very tough. And लेकिन इंडिया का जो प्रेपरेशन है वो भी बहुत बेहतर हुआ है इतने सालों में. तो आपको लगता है हम लोगों की तैयारी अब पहले के कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा हुआ है, जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है स्पोर्ट्स में वो भी ज्यादा है, और जो एटीट्यूड है जो आप बोल रहे हैं डिस्ट्रैक्शन के बावजूद भी ये किलर स्पिरिट है?
और आपको क्या फर्क दिखता है इतने सालों के आपके करियर में, जो कि लंबा करियर है ऑफ कोर्स, मन्नू सर?
देखिए, फ़र्क तो हर जनरेशन में चेंज होता चला जाता है. और आप बात कर रहे हैं जैसे हम जो अचीव कर पा रहे हैं उसमें फ़र्क इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि अब जैसे जैसे गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसियाँ चेंज हो रही हैं. ये कंट्री पहले स्पोर्टिंग नेशन नहीं था, अब वो धीरे धीरे स्पोर्टिंग की तरफ जा रहा है. चाहे आप खेलो इंडिया ले लो, जूनियर प्रोग्राम्स ले लो, हर जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मन्नू को मतलब सबसे पहले फ़ोन करके इसको बधाई दी और उनको सारी डिटेल पता थी. तो एक खिलाड़ी के लिए उससे इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ नहीं हो सकता कि मतलब देश का जो सबसे बड़ा है वो आपको फ़ोन करके बधाई दे रहा है, और उससे जो मोटिवेशन मिलता है क्योंकि इसके हर रोज़ एक मैच थे और हर रोज़ एक फाइनल था, तो ऑब्वियसली दैट मेक्स लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. एंड अब जो जनरेशन है, मैं जैसे बोला कि दे आर better software, but there are a lot of virus also which need to be protected. And सबसे बड़ी बात मैं जो बोलना चाहता हूँ, we need to protect these talent. आप हर ओलंपिक में देखेंगे 60-70% लोग गायब हो जाते हैं. It could be government policy, it could be the facilities, it could be they could not perform, it could be that they have a like lean period of their performance. We need to protect these talent and you will see miracles happening. Look at the China, look at America. उनके players को आप 10 साल 20 साल. There's a one shooter, Nino.
Oh, this was her 10th Olympic Games.
Oh, 10th Olympic Games,
10th
40
Olympic
years of
continuous.
shooting.
Yeah,
Yes.
and 65.
65?
65? Yeah.
Oh,
15 साल
40
में.
years of
Fantastic.
shoot, 40
So-
years of shooting.
जब तक हम वो चीज़ को नहीं करेंगे अपने देश में, तब तक
एज इतना बड़ा क्राइटेरिया नहीं बनाना चाहिए.
टैलेंट मरता नहीं है. We just need to protect that. That's all.
टैलेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक बड़ी बात है जसपाल राणा जी. एक बात मुझे एक और बात बताइए, ये मेरे दिमाग में काफी दिनों से अभी आ रहा है जब मैं इस समय परफॉर्मेंसेस देख रहा हूँ. आपने कहा कि 3rd 4th नंबर में बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है, लेकिन ये हमारा जो हम 3rd से 4th से 3rd खासकर, क्योंकि 4th नॉन मेडल है, 3rd और 3rd से 2nd और 2nd से 1st को कैटापुल्ट करने में हमारे को कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम आती है.
बिल्कुल आती है, बिकॉज अगर आप
Issue.
मन्नू का एग्जांपल लें,
हम्म.
she was nowhere from after Tokyo Olympic. There was no system that we could have protected her. वो तो एक साल में जो हमने चाहे किसी से भी जो भी लड़ाई लड़ी, I will not name it because the end is good is everything is good.
Exactly.
So we got the result. But where is the system? why should I be the savior? There should be a system to protect her, to protect Saurav Chaudhary, to protect Jitu Rai. Where are they? Why don't we talk about them?
थोड़ा हॉस्टिलिटी है.
So you need
मतलब
to just
सिस्टम को थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत
Improve
है, ये जो तीसरे से दूसरे पे लाने के लिए, और क्योंकि मेडल तालिका में आना अल्टीमेटली इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
सर फाइनल में आना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात.
हाँ, और मेडल तालिका में आना, मेडल टैली में आना अपने आप में ऑब्वियसली
There's
इज द एम.
there's no difference. Manu was second till the second last shot in the third match. It's just that one shot. So it can happen. The day they will decide that. But उस डे के डिसाइड करने के लिए आपको फाइनल में उस जगह पे आना तो पड़ेगा. और बच्चे आ रहे हैं. Just give them little longer chance to prove themselves.
करियर बढ़ाना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
और पीटी उषा हेड कर रही हैं तो एक अनदर इंस्पिरेशन होगा, क्योंकि उस जनरेशन में बहुत ही कम महिलाएं हैं, महिला खिलाड़ी हैं.
She is the only one who made this possible.
Yes.
This team possible. I was not
For
there.
the
I was
Olympic
not
Games.
supposed to be there. She put her foot forward and she said nothing. Manu has
I
asked already.
I once met her in an event, and I had this request that I really will need my coach to be with me in the Olympic Games, and I really need your support for that. So that time she assured me, she was like, you don't need to worry. If you really need him, he will be there. You just focus on your training and just relax and just do your best, work hard. And she made sure that everything was in place. So
खिलाड़ियों
it was
में
possible
बहुत
because of her.
एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज का सेंस भी होगा ज्यादा, कि देश का पूरा भार है और इतने सारे एस्पिरेशंस, एक्सपेक्टेशंस का भार है.
And
I
PT
think,
has provided you what you wanted.
Yes.
Huh?
I think having a person who was actually who was also
Legend.
Sports
Legend.
person, legend.
who was a celebrated athlete in 80s, 90s, I would say that it's a sense of honor, and it is a sense of responsibility, as you said, that to carry on the legacy. Or I mean, she is much more accomplished than I am, but I mean, I have that something, I have her to look forward to. I mean, her journey has been great, and she has had so many things to overcome, the challenges and everything. It was so tough back in the days, and she still managed to overcome all of that and win medals for the country. So I mean, अगर examples वैसे हैं तो I mean हमारे लिए easy होता है कि we should look up to them and their journeys and try to follow in their footsteps.
So we will not take much of your time because everyone's waiting. You are tight on time. Manu's message to the young girls of this country.
Okay, so young girls or young kids, I would say that hard work never goes in vain. Hard work will always pay off. Just have some patience, and you will be there. I mean, success, you will get success, but you have to be patient, and you have to put hard work honestly. You can't be cheating. I mean, there's no shortcut in hard work. You can't take shortcuts to success. It'll take long time, but you have to be consistent. You have to be persistent, and you will be there.
So this message of hard work is perhaps almost like a running theme among all the icons, irrespective of their age.
Yes. Hard work, practice, persistence, and honesty.
All right. With that, it's a wrap from me. Congratulations, मुबारक हो, बधाई, हर तरह से बोल सकते हैं हम आपको. और Rana ji, thank you so much. Continue to inspire her and many like her. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.